took Reece on in 2017. Right from the beginning, we noticed his ambition and his willingness towards the job. He's easy to approach. He's got good mentoring skills, which we find is a good role model to our other apprentices that we've got at the moment.
My role here at Fabrications involves me getting a job pack off my manager, and I'll make this job from start to finish, and everything in this job is made by myself. Handrails one day, balconies another day, or you could be doing balustrading. There's something different all the time, you're never doing the same thing. I really enjoyed my time at AMRC, being able to use state-of-the-art equipment like the VR welder, the virtual reality welder. I felt like this gave me a lot of confidence when I came to doing actual welding. I also liked that they had courses to do like plate work, MIG welding, TIG welding. I felt like this really helped me out when I come back to company.
Jack's a fabricator welder. His primary role is manufacturing parts. Jack's a very competent welder. He enjoys it. He enjoys what he does. You can see him, he walks around with a smile on his face. He's really interested in what he does. He likes to get involved in problem solving, so he likes to understand and offer ideas to improve what he does. And all in all, he's just a very likeable guy.
Back in 2017, I was included in a very serious road accident. But the best thing with Nifty Lift is since I've returned to work, they've supported me all the way through, keeping me going and keeping me safe in my working environment, making sure that every day is as easy as it can be for me on my return to work. I also enjoy my job a lot. I don't really see it as a job, it's more of a hobby. I enjoy everything that I do on a daily basis.